Can you hear him? Can you hear that big dope in the back? He's excited. We're out. Not out, but we're out. We're out. Myself and the dogs. We've got a night. It's the summer. The weather's lovely. It's sunny. It's a quick overnighter. And it's well needed. Holding on to the steering wheel helps when you're driving. Decisions, boys and girls. Decisions. Will I go for the fishing camp or in the forest? Guys, I think it has to be the fishing camp tonight. It's just such a nice evening. It's going to be very calm. Might throw a high tarp up and drag and grab a swag and sleep in a swag. That'll be perfect. That's what I'll do. Stay tuned. A slight change of plan, guys. A quick check of the weather has told me that we are going to have rain overnight, so I'm going to set up a tarp. I have some tarps here that I haven't used before, and this was a donation. This is a donation from a friend of mine to Red Branch Bushcraft. Thank you very much, Mickey. I'm going to use one of your tarps tonight, guys. These are DD 4x4 tarps. Big yokes. So I'm going to get them up between two trees. I'm going to set them up in the baker tent style that I like. I've got everything ready to go, so I'm going to do it.
Like a bird on a tree, I'm just sitting here. I got time. It's clear to see.
I got some prussics already made up here with these little S-beaners on them, which are handy. These little things are very cheap, very handy, and they are good for. They're strong. Okay. So I'm gonna put them on my line. Okay. I'm gonna use them to stretch out my tarp. Lovely. Now I'll peg it out. This thing is huge. Guys, I have never actually used a 4x4 tarp before. That's why I'm setting it up. So check that out. From a distance you can tell. That's an old pallet, I think. It's an old pallet. An old pallet. I think I mentioned this was big, yeah? Massive. I think.
In the great outdoors, forever free. You and me, meant to be. In the great outdoors, forever free.
It's so big. I don't think you understand. It is absolutely massive. It is massive. Look. Massive. Right. I need another peg. There you have it. Bed for the night. Check this out. This thing is massive. Well, Bruno, what do you think? Right, it's time to get some grub on. Guys, tonight's culinary delight is sponsored by the US Armed Services, guys. It is an MRE, elbow macaroni in tomato sauce. Warfighter recommended, warfighter tested, warfighter approved, guys. I have not eaten one of these in a long time. So, peelable seal. It has been such a long time since I've had an MRE. I'm going to do everything. I'm going to use the cooker. I'm going to do all that jazz. I'm going to see how it works, okay? I'm going to see if it works. There's a knife I've been using hard today. You can tell. Ring-shaped protein puffs, eh? They're pretty decent, actually. I love what it says. With the heater underneath the MRE, hold the sleeve until heater feels warm or until 1 minute elapses. Look. A rock or something. I need to get some water. Hot sauce. So it's going to be elbow macaroni and tomato sauce, followed by peach and apple sauce and some biscuits, and that is dinner. I'm regretting not bringing steak. Here, Peter, Bruno, what's your dinner? No way, now go eat your dinner. No, it says do not overfill. First thing I did was overfill it. Back off now. Now we fold it over. Bruno, we're going to put it into this. That just got like really hot. Whoa, that is hot. And we're going to put this in this. We're going to give that 10 minutes, which is just enough time for me to finish my food, finish my crisps, and get my bed sorted. That's bed sorted. Let's get this food. Let's do this. I'm excited. I'm excited. I'm excited for elbow macaroni. It's hot. It's hot. It's been 10 minutes, Bruno. Does not feel hot. It feels hot maybe halfway up it. Bruno, back off now. You have your own food. You have your own food. Look. But here, listen. We'll give it a shot. You do get good spoons with the American MREs, I have to say. I've always thought that. So this is Tarps lengthways. Jeez, that's hard to tear. Into a bowl. I like that. That's a good idea. Oh, that does not look appetizing. Check that out. I don't even know what that looks like. But hey, listen. The proof is in the eating, isn't it, Bruno? Oh. It's definitely not the warmest. It's hot at the bottom, not hot at the top. No, it's cold. Hey, coulda. Yeah, that's rank. That's probably one of the worst MREs I've ever tasted. Sorry. That's probably one of the worst military rations I've ever tasted. Protein puffs were good, the rest of it was rank. Let us try wheat snack bread. Doesn't fill you with the most. Oh Jesus Christ of Almighty! What the hell is this? We'll get some jam on this boy and see how he goes on. With the jam, it's possible. Well, tomorrow we'll see if it's possible. All right, Bruno. Cracking. Love this for this sort of thing. This is unreal. I need to get something else down there. I need my concrete pad. It is 7:15. It has been raining non-stop since about 4. Check this out, look. No problem for the tarp or anything like that, it's just very wet. Look at my beasts. A nice night, very calm, very chilled. Now I'm going to decamp. I'm not going to bother getting the camera, guys. I'm just going to finish it off on my phone here. I'm going to get up, I'm going to get my shoes on. I'm going to decamp. Put all this stuff away in the rain, which is class, right? That's the joys, isn't it, Bruno? He knows. Guys, look, thank you very much, everybody. Thanks to the people who watched the live stream that was part of this video. And I will see you guys in the next one. Stay frosty.